Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's World. It's Sunday, September 15th. Just wanted to show what I worked on yesterday. This is what I got going on here. I know it's not pretty. It's a little box basically to protect my generator. I've had this generator for probably 20 some years, and it didn't run. It had all kinds of junk in the gas tank. Well, I cleaned it all out real good. I put a new carburetor on it, and it runs good now. My dad actually bought me that when we first moved out here about 25 years ago. I only used it a few times probably, then it sat in the barn for many years. And so I wanted to protect it, and I wanted to keep it out here because our electric goes out all the time. So I had all this stuff. These are just going to be doors. I'm going to see if I can find some hinges in the barn and put that so I can have access to it. It'll have plenty of ventilation the way it is. It doesn't have a floor in it or anything. It's just to keep the weather off of it, basically. I'm going to paint it too. I got some leftover green paint. I'm going to paint that. So that's what I got going on. That, and I've been fixing up the barn inside, trying to weatherproof it a little bit more so it'll hold heat and stuff. That's all I got going on, guys. Still in the severe drought here. There's no rain forecasted for, well, the next 10 days, so just thought I'd make this quick video. And like I said, that's all I got going on. Still been exercising. I'm gonna go out there and walk here pretty soon. So God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye.